Let's explore the powerful connection between natural elements and our confidence levels. Wearing wood grounds you, giving you the feeling of strength. Integrating nature into our lives can enhance our self-esteem and our well-being. Wood is a symbol of strength and resilience, and it serves as a reminder of our own inner power. By surrounding ourselves with natural materials, we cultivate a sense of grounding and authenticity, which ultimately boost our confidence in both personal and professional realms. So embrace the natural world, and you may find yourself standing taller than ever before.